Hey everybody, it's Jared here with Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2018 Polaris RZR Turbo 4-seater. We've just installed the Ryco Street legal kit and want to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the kit. The Ryco kit is going to come with three 3/4 inch amber LEDs that you can mount anywhere along your plastics that you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole. It also has the daytime running light feature. You can disable that if you don't want those on during the day for that added visibility. To activate the turn signals, you're going to come around here and see a column mount like that you would find in your car. Simply push down on the lever, it'll activate the turn signals on the left side. You can see the indicator lights up on the dash to let the driver know the turn signals are on. There's the front driver side flashing. What I love about the Ryco kit is it ties into the stock tail light housings as well, so it's going to utilize the stock tail lights for a clean, cool, custom look. Simply go up with the lever for the passenger side flashing. The Ryco kit has a horn button integrated into the end of the lever. Nice loud horn. The Ryco kit also has the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that lever. All four lights are going to illuminate. Very sharp, very clean. We do have this kit available for every machine on the market. It is a very machine-specific kit. Comes with detailed color instructions. Going to show you what you need to do to install the kit. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Shoot me a text. 435-851-3637. I can help you out with any parts, accessory for any ATV, side-by-side, motorcycle, snowmobile on the market. My name's Jared, bigpinesports.com.